DIENES, the innovation company.
Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of DIENES Video Series. My name is Lia Liebing and I work as a service technician at DIENES Werke. Today we are diving into the topic of retrofitting winders and cheaters. Many slitting systems in the manufacturing industry have been in use for 20, 30 years or even longer. Often the technology of the knife holders becomes outdated. Modern safety standards are not fulfilled, electrical and pneumatical components are no longer available as spare parts, and the mechanics can no longer be repaired after so many years. The good news: you can upgrade your existing slitting system to the latest technology without completely replacing the machine. What do we promise? More performance, maximum service life and improved cutting-edge quality, independent from the manufacturer of the internal machine. We offer both economically efficient standard components and tailor-made special optimizations designed for your applications. Our slitting systems, which include shear cut or crush cut technology for sheeter, bobbing slitters, narrow and large slitters, as well as scaraging and backup rollers, are available as plug-in systems for retrofitting or can be seamlessly integrated by our specialists right at your premises. Here are some advantages of retrofitting. First, all slitters, winders and cheaters do not need to be replaced in total. This reduces the initial invest and also the loss of production capacities due to the duration of the project implementation. Second, significantly shorter setup times with higher accuracy, improved productivity such as higher slitting performance and reduced dust generation. Third point, reduced repair costs and downtimes. Fourth, state-of-the-art energy efficiency. 5. Annual maintenance abilities from first-hand offered by DIENES Global working teams as service technicians. 6. Digital connecting and TIOC service packages being compatible with DIENES modern automation technology. Have you considered a retrofit for our slitting system? If so, please do not hesitate to reach out to our sales team. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.